Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set this out of office status in your Google Chat. So here I've already opened my Gmail and here is my Google Chat, and this is the current status of my Google Chat or Gmail. So now it's active, but if you, let's say, have a holiday or vacation, or you are not in the office currently, you can just set the out of office status in here. Just click on this current status. You can set as away so that everyone can know that you are not currently available, or you can also add a custom status by clicking on add a status and write out of office like this. And here you can also set to clear the status after, for example, 1 day, a week, 1 hour, 4 hours, or only 30 minutes. So you can just choose which one, and then after that click on done. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.